work, Dada?
My job is fixing computer programs.
What's a computer program?
Pretty much everything on a computer is a program. The internet, games, even the clock.
And you fix them?
Yep. I'll show you. Now, this is a program for painting, but it's frozen, so it won't work. And I'm going to get it going again.
You're so fast, Dada!
I have to be fast. There's lots of coding to be done.
What's coding?
Well, Maya, a computer is a bit like a robot, but with a screen instead of legs or wheels. Coding is how I tell the robot what to do. By typing on this keyboard, I can fix whatever's wrong.
You fix robots every day! That's a great job!
I suppose it is, especially when you put it like that. Right, I think we're done. Let me just check. What do you think, Maya?
It's our house!